Hello everyone! Today we're gonna cook one of my favorite vegetables, the beetroot. And I know what you're saying, you don't like beetroot innit? But believe me, after this recipe you're gonna love it. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new videos. And now, let's do it! I'm Chef Mike, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do amazing, healthy beetroot salad with goat cheese, apples and walnuts. And first of all, we start with our beetroots. Check it out. Baked beetroot is always better than the cooked beetroot. You're gonna keep more vitamins and taste inside. I drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper and fresh thyme. Then I'm gonna close it in the tin foil and put in the oven 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Yesterday I already did some beetroot crisps. Because they take so long to make, I did them in advance. These chips are healthy variation for your salty potato chips. I'm gonna peel beetroot, or you can use even mandolin if you have one. I mix them with lemon juice so they will keep nice red color. Then I put them on the baking paper and in the oven for 60 degrees Celsius until they are nice and crispy. Now it's time for our goat cheese. I season him with black pepper, salt, lemon juice, cayenne pepper and fresh thyme. And now we're just gonna mix it properly. And now we're gonna slice our apple. And I like to do sticks like this. And then we keep it in the water with lemon juice, so it will stay nice and white. We're gonna pick some salad and leave him in the water with ice. So we're gonna clean him and it will stay nice and crispy. And the last thing, we're gonna roast some walnuts. Spread them on the baking paper and put in the oven 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. So we got our beetroot nicely baked and chilled. You can check if it's ready with a skewer, like I did. Now I'm just gonna peel the beetroot and slice my portions. As you can see, I got my chopping board covered with the cling film, so I don't gonna do mess on my chopping board. If you have a plastic one, it's not a big problem, but from the wood chopping board, it's very hard to clean the beetroot. I recommend to use gloves as well, because otherwise you're gonna end up with red hands. You don't want that, right? You can slice your beetroot how you like, guys, so you don't gonna end up with that much trimming like I do. But for my presentation, I'm gonna do long sticks. So we got everything ready. We have our beetroot, nicely baked. I just marinate with a little bit of olive oil and put a little bit more salt and pepper. We have our amazing salad with a little bit of lemon on the top. Our bowl of the goat cheese. Our crisps of beetroot. Amazing. Our walnuts and apples. Now is the time to put on the plate. First, we're gonna put our amazing beetroot. Then our goat cheese, little bit spicy with fresh thyme. Walnuts, nicely baked. Our healthy crisps. Few of apple sticks. And we're gonna finish it with variation of salads. And this is my beetroot salad with goat cheese, walnuts and apples. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys. Try it at home and let me know in the comment if you changed your mind for the beetroot or not. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, so like this you're never gonna miss any of my new video. Check out my blog for full recipe, also follow me on Instagram. Have a nice day and I see you soon.